Hello and welcome to We Are Fin. Down here with Ben Farrar from Carpenter. Welcome to We Are Fin, first of all, Ben.
Thank you very much.
Good to have you here once again. Look, I'm going to be very honest with you here. You're a legacy company. You've got 100 years history in metalworking. How do you stay relevant in a world where it's all about disruption and AI?
So I think the first and most important point is the investment in the new technologies and understanding our customers' applications. So we've worked really hard as an organization to make sure we have the teams of engineers to be able to work directly with our customers. And that keeps us current and keeps us looking at what's in their plans for the future as well.
So products and processes, you've got a wide range within Carpenter. Give me some detail on that.
Yeah, I guess probably the biggest one to talk about and the one that I have ultimate responsibility for is our additive products. And so, there's obviously huge benefits with additive manufacturing technologies in the aerospace industry with lightweighting and consolidation of designs to take multiple components and build them as one or print them as one geometry. And so what we've done over the last number of years is invest in a number of different entities and a number of different companies to really build a knowledge base and a skills base within Carpenter Technology to be able to serve that marketplace.
You've got a strap line, which I know you're using at the Paris Air Show this year, which is the future of aerospace is here. What does that mean in real terms for Carpenter?
I think, it comes back to, alignment with our customers. We recognize, especially with technologies like additive manufacturing, there's a long way to go to really get this to be a mainstream manufacturing technology. You see a lot of press and a lot of information about how you can just press print and get a part out.
Yeah.
But the reality of it is that we can leverage our 130 years of knowledge about aerospace materials and manufacturing techniques to really develop the technology and the products and services around the technology to enable us to actually produce qualified aerospace components.
And part of the success you've got, of course, is working in partnership with your customers, isn't it?
Yeah, obviously. I mean, everything we do has to be channeled towards an end-use application. And, we recognized that there was a need in the marketplace to have products and services to manage traceability of materials in 3D printing, for example, and collect data. And, it's very easy to forget that the metal powder that ultimately goes into metal additive manufacturing is really, really complex. Because when you look at it, it's grey dust, right? And all the grey dust looks the same, but the reality of it is very different. There's billions of particles in a few kilos of material. And so, we've worked a lot on understanding how those different parameters of the powder impact your final part and impact your final part properties.
Ben, thank you very much, and here's to the next 100 years.
Yeah, another 100 years, yeah, hopefully.
Now, for the latest, of course, on everything Carpenter, you'll find them online. For the latest for aerospace, aviation and defence, of course, 365 days a year. Get the latest at wearefin.com.